Whoever the youth who by heaven's decree has his happy right hand beneath that bright head of thine, 'tis certain that he from all sorrow is free, till the day of his death, if a life so divine should not raise him in bliss above mortal degree. My Mabel Kelly, bright, cool, and of curls, all stately and pure as the swan on the lake, her mouth of white teeth is a palace of pearls, and the youth of the land a love sick for her sake. No strain of the sweetest air heard in the land that she knows not to sing, in a voice so enchanting that the cranes on the strand fall asleep where they stand. Oh, for her blooms the rose, and the lily ne'er wanting to shed its mild radiance o'er bosom or hand. The dewy blue blossom that hangs on the spray, more blue than her eye human eye never saw, deceit never lurked in its beautiful ray. Dear lady, I drink to